And yeah, I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday. I hope everyone can hear me. That's one thing that is very important. I hope everyone can hear me. And yeah, I just want to check sure that everyone can hear me. Here are some of the rules that are important. Please make sure you switch off your video, and please, the only reason why we use the chat is when I ask you a question and I need an answer, I'll tell you when to use the chat. But besides that, there's nothing else. But I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday, as I am, and I hope everyone is ready for class today. So please, guys, let us enjoy, and please switch off your videos. Everyone, the only person that I must see is myself. Yeah, that's the only person I must see. So right now, I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to get ready. So if anyone has just joined the class, I'm giving you guys 2 minutes now to go fetch whatever stationery you need. And yeah, so I've started the clock now for 2 minutes for you guys to fetch whatever stationery you need for the lesson. And on top of that, I want to announce again that this video will be available on YouTube. This video will be available on YouTube. So I just want to make sure that everyone has their stuff ready. You have like about a minute, 30 seconds left to fetch all the stationery that you're going to need. And whatever whatever we're going to do today, please guys, make sure that above all you participate. Make sure above all that you guys participate. Make sure that you follow in the lessons. Make sure that you do the work. Make sure everything that you work with me, you must work together. So today we're doing numeracy, and yeah, so yeah, today we're doing multiplication. We're focusing on multiplication, but we're multiplying 4 and 5 to the total of 50. So we're going to start right now. Minute the clock stops, we're going to start. But please fetch all the stationery you need. If you need water as well, please go fetch water. If you need whatever you need, snacks, whatever you need for the lesson, please fetch it. And we're going to be quite slow today as well. I feel that you guys understand better if I slow the pace down. So I'm going to also be quite slow today. But if we need to if I see the need to say, no, now it's time for me to rush the process a bit, I will. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds, guys. 10 full seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Right. So today, let me get the laser pointer. Today, we're focusing on multiply 4 and 5 to a total of 50. Multiplying 4 and 5 to the total of 50. That's our focus of today. Today, we make sure that you guys must know that we are going to be doing practical examples. So every example that we're going to do is practical. And please, triple please, make sure that whenever I say write the example, write it. And listen, and then after you listen, we're going to do examples. Please switch off your video. Thank you. Yes. So everyone, please make sure you switch off your videos. And yeah, every example that I do, we're going to do it practical. Now, remember what we said is that multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. For example, 4 multiplied by 5, which is 4 times 5, 5 multiplied by 4, sorry. 5 multiplied by 4, which is 5 times 4, is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Remember what I said? You have 5. So the example says you have 5. Don't I have 5 multiplied by 4 here? No, I don't. So you have 5 multiplied by 4, right? 5 multiplied by 4. Now, when you have 5 multiplied by 4, right, as it's here in the example, this number is the one that you're going to be adding by the amount of times that is pointed here. Meaning that if it's 5 multiplied by 4, you're going to say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. But the 5s you write are 4 because it's multiplied by 4. So that even when you add or when you count in 5s, you say 5, 10, 15, 20. You know that 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 because when you count 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's multiplication. Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. So you're adding the 5 4 times. That's why it's called 5 multiplied by 4 gives you 20. And remember I said that one method is when we are counting. So that's why if anything is multiplied, or if it's 2 multiplied by something, we're able to get it when we count in twos, like 2. Like let's say they said it's 2 times 2. Then we count in twos. 2, 4. Because 2 times 2 is 4. Then it's 2, 4. That's why I said it's very important for you guys to know your timetables, for you to understand this. But as we go along, you'll get it. Right. So first example that we're going to do together. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5. This one here tells us how many, which one are we adding, the many times, and this one tells us the number. So if it's 4 multiplied by 5, we know it's going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 times. That's why, as I said yesterday, when you look at these here, let me get this. And you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They need to match with this number. So whatever number is here, the number of the how many times you add, the addition that you use, or how many times you're going to add, must match with this number. And you only use this number to add at the bottom to say if it's 4, 4, 4 or 3, 3, 3. That's how. Then remember I said then after that you add 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Or you count, oopsie, made a mistake. Or you can opt, you can decide to count in 4s. You count in 4s and you say, okay, it's 4 multiplied by 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So you know that 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Or you can do the dots. The dots is you draw 5 rows of dots, and you must make sure they're 5. So you count them. You come here and you count. You start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows, which matches here. And each of the dots must be 4, which matches here. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All in all, everything is equal to 20. Right. Please write down this example. Right now, I'm going to give you guys about 2 minutes to write down this example. You have 2 minutes to write down the example. Please write down this example here. I'll explain the next one and then we start out the exercises. Please write down this example. Let me just erase some of the stuff I don't want you guys to write, because I know that some of you can write the things. Yeah, can write like this. This one is better. Please write down this example. Please make sure you write down this example, the whole example here. Quickly, I've given you guys 2 minutes to do it. Please write down that example. Please write down that example. Let me check the timer. Right, please write down that example. Quickly. Right, write down this example. Please write down this example. I switched off my video intentionally. I'm gonna bring it back up now. So just please write down this example, the whole example. Your time is almost up. Please write down this example. I switched off my video temporarily. I'll bring it up now. I hope everyone is done. Let me see here. All right. Please write down this example. Please write down this example. I think it's time. I think it's time up. Right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Your time is up. Let's go to the next one. Right. Good. Good. Let's go to the next one. Right. So it's 5 times 2. 5 times 2. You know that it's 5 times 2. So this is the one that we're going to be adding 2 times. And this is the one that tells us how many times we do it. So if it's 5 times 2, you can count. 5 times 2. You say, okay, 5, 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. Or you can use the dots. Right, draw 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you must make sure that the rows of dots must match here. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how you see that 5 times 2 is 10. Or, as I said, you count in 5s. 5, 10. You see? 5 times 2. Right. Let us start examples and then we move along that way. So, everyone, I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to do 4 times 6. And your 3 minutes start now. 4 times 6 and your 3 minutes start now. You have 3 minutes to do this example. Your 3 minutes have started. Your 3 minutes, you have about 2 minutes now. Two minutes, 2 minutes. Two minutes. Sorry, actually it's a minute 30. A minute 30 seconds. It's a minute 30 seconds. You've got about a minute left, 1 minute left. You have about 1 minute left. You've got 1 minute left. Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. 4 times 6. Right. 4 times 6. 4 times 6. If we look at 4 times 6, here I use circles. Here I use circles. Remember I said you can use squares or circles. I have 4 here and I have 6 here. 4 times 6. Please switch off your videos. Right, so I've got 4 times 6. So what is important here is that if you are doing this where you're going to add them, you need to make sure, number one, that every number here is 4. And then all the numbers that you're adding together, they must be 6. All of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please switch off your video. Please switch off your video. So all the numbers here, when you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it must match here. And then these numbers here, that the ones that you've made a lot, the ones that you're adding many times, must match here with the number here. So this is the one you're going to add. If it's 5, it's going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Since it's 4, it's going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus Then after you make sure that is covered, so we covered the part of saying that here the fours that we have are 6, and then then the numbers here were 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4, right? We count 4, estate, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So we know that 6 fours give us 24. Right. Or we go here. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. Plus 4 is 20. Plus 4 is 24. Right? Or again, we go to the circles. We count. There must be how many circles? 6. And in each circle, there must be how many dots? 4. Right? 6 circles. Because we're counting 4 how many times? 6 times. There must be 6 circles of 4. Right? Because we're counting 4 how many times? 6 times. Then we put 4 in here, 4 in here, but the circles there must be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, right? In each one, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. All of them, there must be 4. Then we count. 1, or let's start here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please switch off your video. Switch off your video. Switch off your video. Right. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's how you do it. You can, or if you know your times tables, count 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Or you add 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4, you count. Plus 4, you say, if it's plus 4, it's what? 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 4, it's 13, 14, 15, 16. Plus 4, it's 17, 18, 19, 20. Plus 4, 21, 22, 23, 24. You see? There are many ways to do it, but at the end of the day, you must make sure that when you, all in all, that you've counted 4 6 times. You've counted 4 6 times. Then 4 times 6 is 24. I'll give you guys 1 minute to write down this answer. I'll give you guys 1 minute to write down this answer. Those who do not have, 1 minute has started now. Those who do not have the answer right, I'm giving you a minute to write down this answer. Okay. No, it's good. It's good. I see in the chat that everyone is saying now they're understanding. It's good. You must understand. So I'm giving you guys a minute to write down this answer. And then we go to the next one, 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 and then child. Then we close. Then we end the lesson. Yes. So go to the next one, next one, next one, next one, next one, next one, next one. Right? Yes. Yes. It's good that you guys have understood. You must understand. So let us see. Time up. Time up. I hope everyone, if you got it right, it's fine. But I hope everyone has written down the answer. And I'll give you now, I'm slowing down because I'm giving you time to write down the answer before we go to the next one. Let me check my time. My time says we have about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is about 2 more examples, plus minus. Let's move to the ones that have 5. So yeah, I think now everyone had enough time to write it down. Yes, I think everyone had time to write it down. Next one. We're not doing this one. Yee, yee, yee. Yeah. There we go. This is the one I wanted you guys to do. I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to try it on your own. 3 minutes to try it on your own. Right. 3 minutes to try it on your own. 3 minutes. 5 times 10. 5 times 10. 3 minutes to try it on your own. 3 minutes to try it on your own. 5 times 10. 3 minutes to try it on your own. 3 minutes to try it on your own. Three minutes to try it on your own. 3 minutes to try it on your own. Three minutes to try it on your own. Five times 10. Then we're going to be left with about 15 minutes of our lesson. So it's about 2 questions, and then we're going to be doing question, and we're going to have time for questions, and then after that, close the day. Three minutes to try it on your own. Let me check the time. The timer says wow, 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Please switch off your videos. Thank you. Switch off your video. Right. Time up. Time up. Let's go to the answer. Right. So we've got 5 times 10. How many 5s must we have? 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Then we count. It's 5 times 10. So we count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 10 5s gives us 50. 10 5s gives us 50. Or we add. We say 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 5 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. Plus 5 is 35. Plus 5 is 40. Plus 5 is 45. Plus 5 is 50. Or we come here, then we say how many groups do they want? Or how many, can say groups even. How many circles would they want? They'd want 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In each of the 10 circles, how many dots must I have? 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can count them one by one. 1, start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So all in all, 5 times 10 is equal to 50. All in all, 5 times 10 is equal to 50. I hope everyone got it right. I'm giving you guys 1 minute now to write down the answer before we do a quick exercise. I'll give you guys a minute now to write down the answer. 1 minute has started. You can either just write this part and this one. This one here, let me mark it for you. So I'm saying here and here. Yeah. If you got it wrong, just here and here for now. I don't really expect you to do this, but if you know the process, you can do this on your own. You know, you can do that on your own. Yes. Ten seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll have a time for questions at the end of the lesson. We'll have time for questions at the end of the lesson. So yeah, I am giving you time to write while I slow down. If you got it wrong, you can write it down. But we'll have a time for questions towards the end. All right, everyone is done. Time for questions towards the end. Right. Now, which one I want you guys to do? I want you guys to answer for me this one and this one. Oopsie. There we go. 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. I'm giving you guys 3 minutes to do it. 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. 3 minutes to do it now, quickly. 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. 3 minutes to do 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. 4 times 8 and 5 times 9. At 22:12, that's when we start our questions. If you guys have questions, you can ask them at 22:12. You've got about 1 minute left, about a minute left. Got a minute left. You've got a minute left. About 10 seconds. About 10 seconds left. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time up. Right, so here's the answers. I said that you must do this one and this one. This one and this one. Let's look at 4 times 8. 4 times 8, it says 4, 8 times. Then you write 4 plus 4 plus 4, 8 times. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you count, then you say 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32. That's the answer. 5 times 9. How many 5s must they be? 9. 1. There's a mistake here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is supposed to be at times. There's a mistake. This is supposed to be at times. But let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 5 times 9. 5 times 9. Then you add them. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 5 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. Plus 5 is 35. No, sorry. Let's start. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 5 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. Plus 5 is 35. Plus 5 is 40. Plus 5 is 45. So 5 times 9 is equal to 45. 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Right. So let's do this. Questions. Anyone with questions? Questions. Anyone with questions? Questions. Anyone with questions? No. There was 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. Right. Anyone with questions? Anyone with questions? Questions going once. Questions going twice. Questions going 3 times. No question. All right, Tabo, when are we doing division? We'll look into it next week. Next week is gonna be the time when we're going to look into division after we do word problems and revision. So anyone with questions? Questions going once. Questions going twice. Questions going 3 times. There are no questions. Right, so the only question I have is from Tao, and yeah, next week it's when we're going to look into division. Next week, after the weekend. then we're going to look into division. Division is nicer, actually. I like division more than multiplication because it's a bit more tricky. Yes, yes, division is nicer. I love division because division is a bit more tricky. So let me put in my email address. And then after I put in my email address, we can say bye-bye. Today we don't really have homework, but what I want you guys to do for homework, this is your homework. Listen to your homework very well. That's why I didn't write it. Practice your times table. So what you can do is that you can go online and look for the times tables, starting from 2 up to 12. So homework is to practice the timetables from 2 up to 12. You can go online and see all the timetables from 2 up to 12, and you practice those. Today, we don't have homework. We're going to have more homework, I think, after the word problems. So now what you must focus on for the weekend is to practice the timetables from 2 up to 12. From 2 up to 12 is when you practice your timetables. 2 up to 12 is your homework. Your homework is from practicing from 2 up to 12. So every day you practice. If the 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3 is 6. You look at it, they'll give you charts there. So your homework is to practice from 2 up to 12. All the timetables, all of them, you practice them every day so you can know multiplication. That is your homework. And then that's it. From me, that's the homework. I said your homework is to practice from 2 up to 12. That's what I give you for now. Homework for now is to practice timetables from 2 up to 12. And then that's it from me. I love you guys with all my heart. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.